Very interesting. Kasi totoo eh. If you're just gonna go with the flow, pwede kang i-consider talaga sa dead fish eh. Kung wala, parang wala kang buhay niyan. Nadadala ka lang ng alon. Pero when you say you break the rules, does that also mean na, or do you also agree na kapag ka you're in a stance where you're breaking the rules, kailangan alam mo muna yung rules? Do you also believe in that?
Yes, of course. It doesn't necessarily mean naman na pag binirek natin yung rules sa kung ano man na nag-i-exist na already, para maging unique ka lang, i-break na natin. Para ang point is that meron kasing part ng buhay natin na we feel like parang kailangan siyang baguhin. And pag sinusunod lang natin na parang meron ng urge na kailangan talagang baguhin and yet hindi mo ginawa yun. Tapos hindi mo sinimulan, doon nagkakaroon ng right time para i-break mo yung idea or yung rule na yon. Pero it doesn't necessarily mean na kailangan mong basagin yung rules na talaga nag-i-exist para i-direct ka sa tamang daan or kung ano mang pagtatama yung rules na inalat doon sa certain industry na yon.